guys, today I'm reviewing this 7-mode shower head from DUSSAL. So it comes with everything you need. I already have the shower attachment, so I'm not going to use the part that comes with this one, but it has the tape and the filters for it. So I'm gonna clean this old tape off. And it comes with lots of extra tape. So it comes with a water flow restriction sheet. You place this inside here. And then you just screw it on. It has 7 spray modes and powerful water pressure. So it's supposed to give your water a high pressure spray. It works great. I hope this review helped you out, and thanks for watching. Bye.